If you are an avid patron of your local fishmongers, then you may have seen this remarkable fish. This is swordfish. Swordfish has gained significant popularity in Irish stores, which is a testament to the country's embrace of new and diverse ingredients. If you haven't had swordfish, it's something I would thoroughly advise picking up when you see it. In terms of texture and taste, swordfish shares a lot of similarities with tuna, but has the added benefit of being a less oily fish, so it's fantastic for the health-conscious ones among you. Today we are preparing Korean glazed swordfish with a stunning egg fried rice. So we are going to start by prepping the veg for our fried rice. So you can use whatever veg you want, but I went with baby corn cut at an angle, some spring onions nicely sliced, keep the top parts for garnish, and then we're going to get some chestnut mushrooms sliced. And then we're going to go with some sliced garlic and some grated ginger. We're going to get all of that aside, and then we're going to julienne some carrots. To a bowl, we're going to get Korean soybean paste, some soy sauce, toasted sesame oil, some mirin, some brown sugar, grate a little bit more garlic, and grate a little bit more ginger. And we're going to get our salt and pepper in, and we're going to mix that together, put aside until ready. We're then going to start frying off our veg, so we going in with the bigger ones first, so the corn, we then go in with carrots, and we go in with our spring onions. And I had some Brussels sprouts that need to be used, so I thinly sliced them and popped them in. Then go in with your pre-cooked rice. We're then going to go in with some oyster sauce and some soy sauce, toss that all together, and set aside. We're then going to season our swordfish steak on all sides, and we want to make sure to get the edges as well. We're going to get some oil into a pan, heat it as much as we can, and then get our swordfish in there. We're going to get a nice sear on both sides. It should take 4 to 5 minutes to cook on either side. Next, we take some of that stunning glaze we made earlier, brush that onto the top of your swordfish, making sure to get a nice amount, get that under a grill, and we're going to let that become nice and sticky and browned. Once you're happy with the cook on your swordfish, we're ready to plate up. So go with a generous amount of your fried rice, get your swordfish on top, and dig in. I would definitely advise giving this one a go. And remember, a like and subscribe would be amazing.